morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shravanth. I am studying in first standard B section in Vidyadan School. Today I am going to tell you a story about five fingers who are friends. So let's start. One day the five fingers started fighting. The index finger said, I am the best because I point at each and everything. The middle finger said, I am the best because I am the longest one. The ring finger said, No. I am the best because I wear a wedding ring. The little finger said, I am the best because when we join our hands for prayer, I stand first. So they all started fighting. Then the thumb said, Stop fighting, friends. Can you all feed food without me? Can you all open and close anything without me? Alone we are nothing. Together we can do anything. Together we work, together we stand. United we live has their fingers in one hand. Now they all realized their mistake and stopped fighting and worked together ever after. Moral of the story is unity is strength.